Shubor naga Khlem jong unong san Hima.
Simwot Menteri Rangba Kajila uba Sniawbha lang dhar. Kynthoh uba Ardent melabasai mo MLA kanong Kren. Halor Kren jung Jaiñtia ya state reservation policy ka arpusantri rumpang. Namar Khlem Pynmih ya Kyntien Jaiñtia. Henry tang ya Kyntien khasi. Uba Sniawbha lang uloong bah reservation policy lajer kerteng khasi ba Jaiñtia tang yaki khasi. Kumta uloong badi ban Pynmih bet khasi ba Jaiñtia habe Kren halor reservation policy. Haba Pynmih nya yakane uba Ardent uloong ba umpoi perkhat ba usimbut Menteri Rangba umut jenga yakata. Uloong ba ude ban Sngotho yaka jingmut jong Uloong ba upunan kam da Kyntien khasi namar ba ukwa ban Pynnyatali yaka weipat ka jat ban riu khasi. Knang ba nomdan manu ba Sngotho bakla. Uloong ba kani kamde kamat jinga Kren ka bahe ba kum usimbut Menteri Rangba ude ban ra hapo iyang dorbar. Henry uloong idei ka jo ka jat ban riu lakalong ukhasi Jaiñtia bat garuru. Yakani ka jinga Kren la ban rap sa uba wailat mikishla. Ubaloong ba habe Kren yakani kamdan kata ka jingmut ban penyapat ni kedokti yano Henry ka ka balabu ka reservation policy ka ongshai khasi bat Jaiñtia. Kumta kamdan kanu ka jingtmu ban penyapya Henry ka shulong bagade bandon bet ha ka Kynthoh. Ulampang ka yiyang dorbar u Thomas A. Sangma. Uloong bakani ka datang ka jingmut jung nong Kren ha ka short duration discussion. Henry ha ka record balabu la tho shai bagade khasi bat Jaiñtia bat mauru unsabu Kynthoh bet kumta.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise to raise the point of orders under Rule 300 on the speech made by Sri Ardent M. Labasamot, member from Nongkrems, on the short duration discussion relating to the report on the reservation policy. On the 25th February, while participating in the discussion, the honourable member Sri Ardent Melabasma has referred on the term khasi are not inclusive of Jaiñtia. So as we all know, as per reservation policy, it is specifically reserved for khasi and Jaiñtia. So therefore, it should always be referred as khasi and Jaiñtia whenever we discuss the reservation policy. So I therefore request your Honourable Speaker to put on the record on the proceedings of the House that it should always be referred as khasi and Jaiñtia whenever we refer to the reservation policy. This is my submission.
Sir, I think I would expect the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister to be measured enough. He should understand the minds of the mover. When I say the khasis, I know who are the khasis. You know, I had already mentioned in this August House, there's nothing to deprive or nothing, no ill intention against any community. But I always use khasis because I want to unify the sub-tribes of the khasis so that no one will misunderstand. So I think that is not a major issue, sir, to be expected for a minister in his status to raise in this August House. Sir, nothing as such as I've said, but I will continue to go to the people and tell that we are one. As the community, we are one as a tribe, and the attempt to mention to the outside world that there are 3 tribes in Meghalaya is completely wrong. We belong to the same tribe, the Panar, the Kinriam, the War, so on and so forth. So I don't think, sir, that is too serious a matter for you to discuss, sir.
Honourable Speaker, sir, I just want to add on that, sir. We not here, sir, to point anything about anyone, but we do realize, sir, whatever discussed in the House will stay on the record.
Yes.
And, sir, if you see on the notification on the reservation on 1972, it's clearly mentioned, sir, khasi and Jaiñtia. So, sir, there is nothing, sir, we are saying. It's just, sir, we don't want, sir, like in the future, if we look back at the debates, sir, we want that, sir, this, and it has been used as administrative, sir, words, sir, khasi and Jaiñtia. So that is the only request. There is nothing, sir, we want to divide or anything. But just, sir, we don't just want to be placed on record, sir. That's all, sir. Thank you.
I tend to agree with the Honourable. If we are using this khasi Jaiñtia, I use, it doesn't mean that I never use, but deliberately I would love to use khasis so that we will, be able to prevent from any outside force to divide us.
That is only the mind of the who brought the short duration discussion, but as per records, it is always referred as Khasi and Jaiñtia, so I will put the record straight. My decision stands.